Kuga. This is a quick one for you, just doing a service on one at the moment. If you're looking to change the brake light on this, or the tail stop light, whatever you want to call it, basically this is what you do. Very quick, pull off the panel, which is here, just comes off. And you've got right up there, you can see the grey one, grey bulb, that's your brake light. Basically, I can't get my hand in there to show you, but all you do is twist it anti-clockwise, comes straight out. Just show you. There it is, that's what you do. It just comes out, the light bulb actually just comes out. Do it with one hand. Like that. That's what you're dealing with, that's what you want. Goes straight back in, and then you turn it back on. And then put the flap back on. And that's it really. Really hard, hopefully you've got small hands. And that's what you've got in there. You can just see it hanging, but just put it back in, turn it clockwise, and it should go in. Put the panel back on, and that's it. Hopefully this is more on the field, in the field jobby, so sorry about the jumpiness, but I just thought I'd do this quickly. Hopefully it'll help some of you who've got Ford Kugas. Seem to be quite a big selling car in England and Europe at the moment, so hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching.